This question was asked in AC and IN paper. The question is, find out the area bounded by the lines 3x plus 2y is equal to 14, 2x minus 3y is equal to 5 in the first quadrant. So now it is, from the diagram it is clear, this particular line is this and this is this. So how I have plotted this? By putting y equal to 0 and finding x value, putting x equal to 0 and finding y value. So this value is 7, this is 4.66 and this is 2.5. If you will find the intersection point by solving these two equations, you will find that this particular line is at y is equal to 1. That means here the coordinate of y is 1. Now the question is, what is the area bounded by these two lines? So if you look at the option, and if I'll find the area of this particular triangle, which is half into 7 into 4.66, it will be around 16 something, 16 point something. So all the answers are just below or above 16. That means I do not have to do that analysis that whether they are asking this particular part or this particular part, because from option it is pretty clear that they are asking for bigger part. Otherwise we'll again go to analysis whether this particular triangle or this particular area. Okay, so what I'll do now, it is clear that this particular part, so from the 16 point, I think it will be 16.32, this bigger triangle area, minus this smaller triangle area. So how to find out this smaller triangle area? The height is 1 and this base is 4.66 minus 2.5. So it will be around 1.08. So minus 1.08. So if you will subtract, you will get answer as B. So your answer here is 15.25. So what is the learning out of this question? It is not required to analyze everything and find out what is the part. From option it is clear they are asking this particular part. And by solving equations we have found out the area of triangles. Thank you.